So documents that you'll need whenever you are selling your home. Hi, I'm Tasha with eXp Realty. I'm going to talk to you about what you need whenever you're selling your home. There is going to be some paperwork that you're going to need to get together when you are thinking about selling your home. So go ahead, get a pen and paper so that way you can write these down. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and so that way you can see other videos from me. So first of all, you're going to want to get together your proof of home ownership. So that's going to be your deed, your title or mortgage statement. The reason why you need these is because escrow / title will need those whenever you are in contract, and that will be able to also prove who actually has ownership of it. So it's always good to go back because sometimes you know, there may be other parties on there that maybe you either, aren't aware of or, forgot that were on there. So you definitely want to go back to that and get the deed, title, or mortgage statement. So second thing you're going to need is your proof of residency, driver's license, utility bill, or tax document. So just get that together for the proof of residency. You'll also want to get together the proof of insurance. This is just in case something happens during the sale, so you never know what could happen. You could, potentially have like a roof leak or something like that that would happen during the escrow process. So you just want to make sure that you are covered should anything happen and, while you're in escrow. So we want to make sure that if something were to happen that you are covered and, we can remedy the situation because you had the insurance. The fourth thing that you're going to want to have is the home inspection report, the appraisal report, and anything else that you have report-wise that was done on the house. So if you've had any work done, it's good to have those receipts, especially if it's big things that you've had done, like remodeling the bathroom, or if you had to repipe part of the house or all of the house. You'll want to have that handy just in case. If you have solar panels, you're going to want to have that documentation as well, so that way if it is on a lease, that can be transferred over to the buyer buying your property. And also if it's owned, also providing that documentation to the buyer. So it's good to have like any reports or anything like that that you have handy. If you just purchased the house, a couple years ago, having that home inspection report, this actually is a part of the substituted disclosures, which is what you have to provide to the buyer. So if you can prepare this right before you sell it, you'll have everything ready to go, so that way when you put your house on the market and get a buyer, we can just go ahead and provide that to them. Another thing you'll want is a list of any upgrades or renovations that you've made to the home in the past 5 or so years. So just have that available. We can upload that into the MLS whenever you're listing with us. We will upload that into the MLS, and we'll also be able to provide the description, write the description based upon your upgrades and everything that you want us to convey over to the buyer. So having that list is going to be super handy. So make sure you're making a list of all of those things that you've done to the home. And then of course, last but not least is the listing with a real estate agent. So we would love to talk to you about selling your home. We sell on average about 5% above list price and about 10 days on market, or 5 days on market actually, with how quickly everything has been going lately with how fast the market is. Statement. So, but yeah, we are averaging a good amount over. So if you would like to have a consultation with us and see what else we can do for you for selling your home, we would be happy to meet with you. So be sure to schedule it in the link below. And thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to check out my other videos, and I'll see you next time.